This amateur drone footage, filmed a day after the Nepal earthquake, shows a moving bird's-eye view of the devastation in Kathmandu. The images show toppled monuments, huge cracks across major roads, and damage to residential buildings across the city. The destruction of famous landmarks can be seen, such as the 9-story Darahara Tower. The historical monument was built as a watchtower in the 1800s. The number of people killed in the devastating magnitude 7.8 quake has now risen above 3,700. People began fleeing the capital on Monday, terror-stricken by 2 days of powerful aftershocks and looming shortages of food and water. Thousands of the sick and wounded are now living out in the open because of the fear of more collapsing buildings.